Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss how to fix red limit expired less weight of you, then try again. How to fix this issue? First of all, go to your home screen and open up app store, then click on app store and searching in Twitter. As soon as you guys so it is showing open, you are showing update, so update the Twitter app and then check with the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem did not go for the next one is open the setting and scroll up, then click on general and tap on iPhone storage and scroll up available each other and tap on Twitter and so tap here, so tap offline app and then apply Twitter app and then check out the problem has fixed. Okay, then problem design fixed. Go for the next one. Next is uninstall the Twitter and then reinstall on the chat with the problem has been fixed and or not. If the problem did not fix, go for the next one. Next one is open your setting and then tap on general and tap on transform reset iPhone, scroll up and then click iPhone, tap on reset and then click on reset network and tap on give it your passcode and then tap on reset network setting. If the problem there will go for the next one. Next is the open again on setting and tap on general and tap on date and time. This toggle is turned off and then your program 100% will be fixed. So that it guys for today. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. You have not prevent that in the comments, I will help you more. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.